Hi there guys, welcome to another YouTube video from Rossberry Productions. Very quick video for you today. I'm going to be showing you how to remove and replace the MAF, or the mass airflow sensor, on a 2020 Suzuki Swift. Nice easy job, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is actually open up the bonnet, which if you don't know how to do, I'll just show you now. Open up the driver's door fully. Just down in the driver's footwell, there's this lever. Give that a pull. Come around to the front of the vehicle. Just in the middle of the bonnet, just by the Suzuki badge, there is a lever. Push that to the left. Open up your bonnet fully, and we're going to put this bonnet stay in that hole down there. Now your bonnet is safe and secure. Now looking at the back of the engine, you've got the air box, and this is where your mass airflow sensor is actually located. So to change it, all we're going to do is get a screwdriver in there, pull that back, and then actually use that as a lever to operate the clip there. And then that's giving us our mass airflow sensor just with two screws. So Phillips head screw, just put that in there. Just going to undo them all the way, put it somewhere safe. And then you can just withdraw it, making sure it doesn't touch the sides, just pull it straight out. This is a Bosch module, but that is your mass airflow sensor. So if you need to change that, that's exactly what it looks like, and that's how easy it is. To put it back in, making sure you've got the Bosch at the top. Slide it all the way in, try not to touch the sides too much, making sure you don't touch the sensor itself. And we just go ahead, put our two screws back in. Don't have to do this up too tight, just making sure they're all the way in and it's not going to move. So my screwdriver's a bit chewed up. Making sure it's not wobbling and it's nice and tight. Just go ahead, get your clip harness, put it back on, push it all the way till you hear the click, and then actually push this clip forward, and that locks it in. And there we go. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please go ahead and give me the thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Check out some of my other videos on the Swift or any other car, and please subscribe to my channel.